Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change the cabin filter on a Jaguar XE. Start by opening the passenger door and lowering the glove box. Remove the limiting stops and gently release the glove box from its hinges. Locate the cabin filter cover behind the glove box and unclasp the retaining clips. Slide the old filter out slowly to avoid dust, then insert the new filter with the airflow arrow facing the firewall. Open the glove box and clear all items so nothing falls into the footwell. Depress the glove box side stops or squeeze the sides to let it drop fully down. Locate and unclip any dampers or retainers on the right side. Set them aside safely. Support the glove box as you lower it to access the cabin filter housing behind, and avoid forcing any plastic tabs to prevent breakage during removal. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to keep more content coming, and it really helps the channel. Quick recommendation: grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your cabin smelling great after a filter swap. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can pick one up easily. Now let's get back to the video. Identify the rectangular cabin filter cover and unclip its plastic latches to expose the filter. Observe the airflow arrow on the old filter to ensure correct orientation for the replacement. Carefully slide the old filter out straight to avoid spreading debris, then slide the new filter into place with the arrow pointing toward the firewall. Reinstall the cover, secure the glove box dampers and stops, and test the vents for proper airflow and reduced odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.